Hello, teachers, and welcome to The Greater Race, another Marble Run Math for Teachers video where we make learning math fun and engaging for your students. Today, we are diving into the concept of greater than, less than, and equal to using our fun marble runs. In this video, you will see two marble run tracks side by side. Each of the two tracks will run a specific number of marbles. Watch closely as the marbles race down the track and land into the corresponding scale pans at the end to reveal which track had the greatest number of marbles. Our great host and hostess, number 4 and number 9, and all of our number puppets have fun cheering the marbles while they race down the track. There are 2 levels of races in the video and 12 races at each level. To accompany this video, we've prepared downloadable lesson plans and student activities, one of which your students can use with this video to predict the outcome of the races. You can find these activities in the link to our Teachers Pay Teacher shop found in the description below. The download includes lesson plans, student activities, extension ideas, and plenty of fun for your classroom. Lastly, we also provided in the description below affiliate links to the products we use in the video. Let's roll into the world of marble runs and have fun with math together. Oh, and here's a question for you. Why did all the marbles go to the scale for counsel? Because his advice was always well balanced. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and please give us a like and subscribe.
Marble Run Math, come join the fun. Exploring math while the marbles run. Let's use our brains to explore and play in the world of math every single day. So let's start our adventure. Come on, let's go. Marble Run Math, there's so much to know.
Hi everyone, number 9 here, and this is my friend, number 4.
Howdy folks, I'm number 4, and I'm ready to roll.
Well, that's great, number 4, because today we're gonna watch some marbles race down 2 tracks.
Really? Why are we doing that?
Well, number 4, we want to compare the value of the 2 numbers rolling down the tracks.
Value? What does that mean?
It means how much they're worth. How much is a number 2 worth? How much is a number 5 worth? Hey, how much is a number 4 worth?
That was funny for sure.
And as the marbles are rolling down the 2 tracks, I want all of you boys and girls out there to think, is the first number greater than, equal to, or less than the other number?
Well, number 9, how will we know the winner of the race?
When the marbles on each track get to the end of the run, they'll plop into our scale. And the symbol on the front of the scale will reveal the winner.
Will it tell us if the first number is greater than, less than, or equal to the second number?
Well, it sure will, number 4.
Oh, that sounds like such fun, such fun.
And we hope you all have fun too, as you watch the marble run races and guess greater than, less than, or equal to.
Rolling down the track, marbles side by side. One's going fast, one's slow. Who's first in line? Now watch them twist and turn. Which marble's hot it burns? One passes by the other. Who's gonna learn? More than faster, less than slower. Who's in front? Who pulls over? Equal when they meet. Judge it quick, don't miss a beat. Racing down the slope, who takes the lead? Greater than the other. Watch them speed. Counting as they go, adding up the fun. Learning math Learning math so easy underneath the sun. Compare and find their place. Greater than, more than, lots of fun. Less than, fewer, we're not done. Equal to the same amount. That is cool, let's shout it out. Let's check the size, who has more right before our eyes. Count the marbles, see who's gonna win. Compare the numbers, now let's begin. 4 is more than 2, alright. Let's compare with all our might. 6 is less than 8 in line. Fair and square, let's take our time. Greater than, more than, lots of fun. Less than, fewer, we're not done. Equal to the same amount. Math is cool, let's shout it out. Look at 10 and look at 5. Do the math, they come alive. 12 is greater, count your share. Less than 15, count with care. Look at 10 and look at 5. Do the math, they come alive. 12 is greater, count your share. Less than 15, count with care. Look at 10 and look at 5. Do the math, they come alive. 12 is greater, count your share. Less than 15, count with care. Whoa. Down with care. Count with care. Down with care. Whoa. Down with care. Down with care. When you've got 2 numbers and you're looking to compare, remember Mr. Crocodile and his toothy stare. If he's aiming for the bigger, then it's a greater deal. Turn his open mouth to point, that's the rule, and that's real. Greater than, less than, look at where he bites. Equal when the numbers match, that's how you get it right. Greater than, less than, watch those marbles roll. Add them up, compare them down, you got it all in control. If there's 35 on the left and 25 on the right, that hungry gator chomps left, oh, it's such a delight. But if it's 50 50, he don't know which to choose. He'll just close his jaws and smile and say they're equal to. Greater than, less than, look at where he bites. Equal when the numbers match, that's how you get it right. Greater than, less than, watch those marbles roll. Add them up, compare them down, you got it all in control. Now don't you worry kids, it's easy and it's fun. Whether it's your marbles or puzzles almost done, just find a bigger number and Mr. Croc will show which way his mouth will face. That's the way to know when your marbles are racing and the numbers climb. Just remember Mr. Croc, he'll get it right every time. Whether more or less or they match up the same, with his guidance you'll learn and win the math game. Less than what those marbles roll. Add 'em up, compare 'em down, you got it all in. Marbles roll on down the track. Numbers line up back to back. See them racing side by side. Which is greater, who is trying? Watch the marbles take their place. Find the numbers in the race. Who's more, who's less, or just the same? Let's all learn and play this game. Greater than, less than, equal to. Marbles help and guide you through. Greater than, less than, equal to. Numbers fun for me and you. One's ahead with 5 some are fit. Look at numbers side by side. Who is greater? Who will glide? Who will glide? Line them up and take a peek. Is it more or is it sweet? Marbles here and marbles there. Are they equal? Do we care? Greater than, less than, or equal? Math is fun. It's like a sequel. Marbles show us what we see. Math is magic every week. Twist and turn and jump and slide. Find the size in every ride. Marble spinning around the bend. Which is bigger than the end? Count them up and see them roll. Check the numbers, big and small. Marbles racing in a row. Which one leads and steals the show? Greater than, less than fun. Equal to, when all.
Well, that was sure a lot of fun, number 9, and I learned a lot too.
Did you learn to compare numbers using greater than, less than, and equal to?
I sure did, and now I'm a champion.
A champion. Yes, and I'm sure all you boys and girls are champions too.
I sure hope y'all come back.
Yes, I hope that you do, because we'll have another exciting Marble Run adventure. It's time to say goodbye, number 4.
Oh, okay. Bye, number 4.
And please like and subscribe to our channel.